So my mom came to visit the other day, and we were talking about this sweet potato vine here and how the frost has gotten to it. It's late September. It's probably about time to clean it up and get it out of the garden. And she had mentioned that apparently the sweet potato vine actually will grow edible sweet potatoes in your ornamental garden decoration. And so we thought, hey, let's just check it out and see what we find. And so we pulled out this vine over here, and look what we found. A whole bunch of potatoes. So we did a little research. Apparently, these are edible. They're sweet potatoes. They're not yams. And the leaves, the foliage of the plant, is also edible. So I thought I'd stop there and I would give you a close-up of pulling out the other plant and see what we find. Maybe we'll get a wicked harvest this year of all these sweet potatoes. All right, here we go. We're gonna pull this plant out. And I found one potato. I think I found a few, maybe some little potatoes. So I just bought this at a random hardware store and got a couple potato vines to go in my ornamental gardens right here. And look at that, another potato. Who would have thought? So there you have it. Apparently, we have some edible food growing in our ornamental gardens right here. I'm gonna cut these guys up and see how they taste. So apparently they are supposed to taste less sweet than your typical yam or sweet potato. And that's why they're grown for ornamental gardens as opposed to your regular vegetable gardening. And they're also white inside. So let's cut these guys up and see how they taste. Okay, I've got my sweet potato here. I've cut it. It is white inside. And I'm going to taste it raw first. They're very excited. I think it tastes awful. I would not eat that. Let's see how it tastes when you cook it. Okay, so I've steamed up a couple slices of the sweet potatoes here. I put some salt on them, and now let's give them a little taste. Not bad. Not bad at all. They're definitely not as sweet as the yams, but still totally edible. So conclusion, the sweet potatoes from the sweet potato vine are definitely edible. The leaves are also edible. I'm not trying those today, but maybe in a future video. But what I think I'm gonna do is maybe save the rest of the sweet potato tubers and keep them until the spring. So I'm gonna keep them in a cool, dry spot until the spring, and then I'm gonna plant them, and hopefully we'll get some more sweet potato vines in the future. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Thanks again.